This week's recipe review are Copycat Oatmeal Cream Pies from Broma Bakery. They're described as being perfectly soft, chewy, and sweet, with all the delicious flavor of your childhood favorite Little Debbie's without any weird ingredients or additives. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so I was pleasantly surprised with how well these cream pies turned out. Initially, I thought that using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop for the dough was going to be too small, but the cookies spread out just right while baking, and as shown in the video with the one in my hand, they are 3 inches wide or 7.6 centimeters. When it came to piping the filling, my wife suggested to start at the outside edge and work my way to the inside. When I did the first one, I didn't have it out to the edge enough, and you can see there's a gap. And that's okay, but for the rest of them, I piped the cream filling all the way to the edge like this one, and it looks better with a nice thick layer. I baked these for the stated 10 minutes and they turned out perfectly. I suggest letting them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes or so before transferring them to the cooling rack. This allows them to get a head start on setting up nicely. I was able to get 26 cookies and 13 cream pies from the recipe. I also doubled the filling to have enough. You may have some left over, but that's okay as well. For the taste test, I couldn't wait to dive in. Again, you can see how nicely these turned out. When I took a bite, the first word out of my mouth was wow. Then I had to take another bite before saying anything else. These were awesomely delicious. They're so much better than what you buy in the store. This is what an oatmeal cream pie should taste like. It's soft and chewy, and I think what really makes the cookie part so good is the molasses. That 1 tablespoon makes a huge difference in the flavor. I think it's the key ingredient. And the cream filling is amazing as well. It's wonderfully sweet, and you couldn't ask for a better compliment to the cookie. If you enjoy baking and know someone who loves Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies and you want to impress them, make them a batch of these and get ready for the compliments. Overall, these are the absolute best cream pies I've ever had, and I give them 10,000 stars and will make them again very soon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.